Hi everyone, welcome once again to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy. Welcome if you're new here and thanks a lot for stopping by. In this video, I'm sharing 2 Christmas thrifty craft ideas that are super simple to create and costed less than $5 each. This video is part of a challenge hosted by Cindy from That Crafting Lady and Melissa from Melissa Makes It DIY. Both of them are amazing creators and share awesome DIY ideas on their channel. You should definitely check out both their channels and also check out the playlist that is mentioned in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe to my channel for more fun, easy, unique and budget-friendly DIY ideas. So let's get started. For the first DIY, I'm creating 3 Christmas trees using pistachio shells. I have been collecting these shells for quite some time and decided to use them for this project since this is a thrifting challenge and we cannot spend more than $5 for a single project. So I thought this would be a nice project to use them. So I took a white board, foam board, and then cut 3 triangles out of it in 3 different sizes. Then I started gluing the shells onto the foam board using hot glue, and they stick pretty well. These shells have been pre-cleaned beforehand, so I just had to glue them on top of the foam board and it looks like the leaves on top of the Christmas tree. I glued the shells slightly raised up from the surface for a more 3D look. So this is how the tree looks once all the shells are glued, and it looks so cute. I created more trees using the same method, and once all the 3 trees were completed, I took some barbecue sticks and some wooden beads and decorated the sticks like so. Inserted the wooden beads inside the barbecue sticks using hot glue. You can decorate it however you choose to do it. It is all upon you. Then I pushed the sharp end of the barbecue skewer into the foam board, and then the other end I glued it to the base. In the same manner I did the other 2 barbecue skewers also. I just inserted the beads inside and then pushed them into the tree, and then I made a base of all the 3 trees using foam board. For making the base, I took 2 circular pieces of foam board and then glued both of them together. setted the tree onto the base and then glued the barbecue stick using some hot glue. I used enough hot glue so that the barbecue skewer was secure enough and it just did not fall off on any of the sides. So this portion needs a little time where we need to just wait for the hot glue to dry and then we can just leave it as is. I also glued a little snowflake on top of the tree to complete the entire look. Finally, to complete the base, I glued 3 wooden beads near to the barbecue skewer, and then I glued some greenery onto the base so that it looks like a bit of greenery, a bit of grass, a bit of snow that I left the white portion. So it makes it look like snow and some greenery just below the Christmas tree. You can paint the tree if you want to, or spray it with some snow spray, or decorate it with some beads and pearls, but I chose to keep it simple and as is because I really like the wooden look of it. It looks so cute. And after the tree was complete, this is how it looks. It looks absolutely cute and gorgeous and was super budget friendly to make, and I just loved it. The second DIY is also very easy to make, and I use the same foam board and glued both the pieces together, the circular pieces that I cut, and glued both the pieces together, and then using wooden skewers I tried creating a conical tree-like structure. I pushed the skewers into the base of the foam board and then glued all the ends together as it tapered onto the top. Once the cone-like structure was complete, I secured the skewers with hot glue at the base so that it doesn't shake, wiggle, and just stays right at its place. Then I took some fluffy yarn and started wrapping around the tree like so. I chose white fluffy yarn. You can use green also, it's absolutely on you, and I think both the colors look very beautiful. In fact, jute twine would also look great over here with the wooden skewers. I think that would look great too, but I wanted to give it a more of a snowy effect. That's why I used the white yarn. the tree was complete, I glued a large snowflake on top of the tree and then covered the tree with some fairy lights. So this is how my barbecue sticks tree turned out. It looks so cute and it was so simple to make. Let me know in the comments below which out of the two you like the most. Thanks a lot for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and please do subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Happy holidays and bye for now.